Hey everyone, this is Mark, Skipper Mark. Thank you so much for watching. During the summer when we don't have plans or really anything that we want to do, one of our fallback places to go to is the boat launch in Old Saybrook. It's called the Baldwin Bridge Boat Launch. It's right under the Baldwin Bridge, which is I-95 where it crosses the Connecticut River. So in Old Saybrook, the boat launch is really popular, very busy, because it's just a mile or so, I'm guessing, from the actual ocean. And you can also head upstream and, stay in the sheltered waters of the Connecticut River. A lot of performance boats go there, cigarette boats, high-performance boats. So this video shows some of those nice boats. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Hello everyone, we're getting ready to go down to the ocean today. Watch some boats, check out the weather. Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. I'm here at the Baldwin Bridge Boat Launch to give you a quick tour of this nice facility. So as you can see, there's a large parking lot with direct access to the river. There's two dock areas, one on the left of the ramp that wraps around underneath the bridge. Then there's a longer dock on the right and a fishing pier as well where a lot of people crab and things like that. On the far left, straight across from the main entrance when you come in, is a second boat ramp that can be used for small boats such as canoes and kayaks. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe so others can find it as well. I've got a lot of videos that I'm going to be posting of places to visit and things to see around Connecticut. Thank you again and have a great day.